This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 251BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, awning, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, refrigerator, oven, air conditioning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, Skylight, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 251BH is 6,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.